Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss the remaining chemical reactions of amine. That is, now see one by one. Carbylamine reaction. Carbylamine reaction. In this reaction is used to test for the distinguishing test of primary amines. Here primary amine is taken. Primary amine is warmed with the mixture of chloroform and alcoholic KOH. Warm chloroform and alcoholic KOH. It gives such type of product RNC plus thrice KCl plus thrice H2O. We get alkyl isocyanide. This alkyl isocyanide, which having a unpleasant smell, From this we can say that the amine is a primary amine. When any compound, any amines, when it is treated with the chloroform and alcoholic KOH, then a product which having unpleasant smell, if it is formed, then we can say that the amine is a primary amine. From this we can say that the compound is a primary amine. This is the distinguishing test of primary amine. Okay, then let us discuss the example. When aniline warm with mixture of chloroform plus alcoholic KOH, then phenyl isocyanide is obtained. NC, phenyl isocyanide, which having unpleasant smell, with thrice KCl plus thrice H2O. This is the carbylamine reaction. Now the next reaction is the reaction of amine with nitrous acid. Reaction of amines, that second is with nitrous acid. In this reaction, the primary amine treated with a mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl, that is sodium nitrate with HCl. The mixture of this forms a nitrous acid HNO2, HNO2. It forms, then it gives the ROH plus N2 plus H2O. This mixture, that NaNO2, sodium nitrate and HCl, the reaction of sodium nitrate with HCl, it forms a nitrous acid, that HNO2, HNO2. The HNO2 can be written as HONO, that is the reaction of this primary amine with this nitrous acid forms a alcohol. With the liberation of nitrogen gas and water molecule, this is a primary amine. When secondary amine reacts with nitrous acid, R2NH plus OHNO, this is a nitrous acid. This nitrous acid is formed by the mixture of NaNO2 and HCl, by the reaction of NaNO2 and HCl, nitrous acid. Then H2O get eliminated and it forms a R2NNO, R2NNO, that is nitrosoamine. So amine, which is a oily product, nitrosoamine, which is a RNNO, nitrosoamine, which is a oily product. Oily product. Then tertiary amine reacts with nitrous acid, forms a salt. Now see how the tertiary amine reacts. R3N plus tertiary amine reacts with nitrous acid, H positive NO 2 negative. Nitrous acid can be written as, here this lone pair abstract this H positive and forms a salt R3N. When it donate the lone pair, there is nitrogen becomes a positive and positive H, and in attraction with this positive charge NO2 negative. This is a salt, nitrite salt. This is a nitrite salt. In this way, the primary amine reacts with nitrous acid, forms a alcohol. Secondary amine reacts with nitrous acid, forms a nitrosoamine, which is an oily product, and the tertiary amine reacts with nitrous acid, forms a nitrite salt. This can be used for the differentiating test of the primary, secondary and tertiary amine. When the primary amine reacts with nitrous acid, when it forms an alcohol. When any amine reacts with nitrous acid, when it forms alcohol, then we can say that the amine is a primary amine. When any amine reacts with nitrous acid, forms a nitrosoamine, which having a oily, which is a oily product, then we can say that the amine is a secondary amine. And amines, any amines which reacts with the nitrous acid, forms a nitrite salt, then we can say that the amine is a tertiary amine. From this we distinguish. This reaction is used for the distinguishing as a distinguishing test for primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Then with Hinsberg reagent, amines reacts with the Hinsberg reagent. When the amines reacts with Hinsberg reagent with benzene sulfonyl chloride, benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is C6H5SO2Cl, benzene sulfonyl chloride. When primary amine reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride. It forms a N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. It forms a such type of product RNH SO2 C6H5, which is a alkyl group at present at nitrogen. Then we can say that the N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. Benzene sulfonamide, which is a NH. Benzene sulfo plus HCl. When this primary amine reacts with the benzene sulfonyl chloride, that the reagent is known as Hinsberg reagent, then by the elimination of HCl we get the N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. Then amines or we discuss the example of this reaction, that is when aniline reacts with the Hinsberg reagent, it forms a N-phenyl benzene sulfonamide, and the aniline reacts with the Cl SO2 C6H5. It forms a such type of product HSO2 C6H5. This phenyl is present at the nitrogen. Then we can say that N-phenyl benzene sulfonamide. Benzene sulfonamide. N-phenyl benzene sulfonamide. In this way, the primary amines reacts with the Hinsberg reagent. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is called as Hinsberg reagent. Then the amines reacts with carbon disulfide, RNHH plus C double bond S, NH2. Here H2S is liberated, which is a carbon disulfide. This is a primary amine. When this primary amine reacts with carbon disulfide, it forms a such type of product RN double bond C double bond S, that is alkyl isothiocyanate plus H2S with the liberation of H2S gas. Then this reaction is discussed by taking the example of aniline. When the aniline reacts with carbon disulfide, C double bond S, then it forms a such type of product N double bond C double bond S. This is a phenyl isothiocyanate. thiocyanine. This is the phenyl isothiocyanate. Then when the carbon disulfide reacts with the aniline in the 1:2 ratio, that aniline is taken in 2 moles and carbon disulfide in a 1. Then how the reaction takes place? Then we say